What happens if I do this? Okay, so when you use the keyboard though, this is so the border is so distracting that you can miss it. All right. So let me start it at 10%. So do I have an on press? On hold. I have an on hold. If do you have rhubarb in Japan? I don't know. I haven't seen it, but I haven't been looking either, so maybe. Why? Wait, what is rhubarb? Now that I'm thinking about it, what the hell is rhubarb? That's just turning cog. Is the Stardew Valley music making you think of rhubarb? Look like strawberries. Wait, rhubarb is the fleshy, edible stalks of species and hybrids of rhuum in the family, whatever. So it's like it looks like chard. It looks like Swiss chard or rainbow chard. Bun Bun and I had started strawberry rhubarb French toast and it was great. Wait, Bun Bun and I had starberry. Wait, you're referencing Adventure Time. What? Bun Bun? Mr. Mard, how's it going? It's a sour weed that grows in a crumble and custard, or that goes in a crumble and custard. This guy. What up, this guy? I mean, I'm familiar with rhubarb pie, but yeah, now I'm just like, I don't recognize it. I've never seen it. I don't know what it tastes like. And I'm not sure I've ever had rhubarb pie. Bun Bun is my partner's not government name, I see. I thought you were like making a weird Adventure Time reference. Because that's one of my favorite episodes. The other day, someone asked me what my favorite Adventure Time episode was. One of my top 10 is oh wait, not Bun Bun. No, I hate Bun Bun. Now I need to remember. No, I love Bun Bun. Okay, Bun Bun is this guy. Yeah, I really like Bun Bun. I was thinking of another character that I hate. On pointer down is pressed. All right, so I'm trying to just, it's really stupid that I'm trying to just figure out how to start this at 1% or at 10%. Charge time is 0.3 seconds? What? Really? No. Disagree. Disagree. Charge time is 1 second. That's what I thought. One Mississippi. One Mississippi. Yeah, yeah. Coding is hard. Yeah. Pretty sure we've been in the same communities long enough that you've witnessed how random I am. Yeah, Turning Cog. Turning Cog has superpowers. At any moment, he can trigger Automod. In the blink of an eye, Automod will be summoned. Oh, if I move the mouse, it stops it. I guess that's normal. He did it! He summoned Automod. But if anyone else said that exact word, they wouldn't have been automodded. All right, where do I refresh this thing? Charge timer. I set it to 0. Charge timer is greater than... Yeah, I set it to 0. No. Oh, maybe only here. If e dot button data dot state equals down. Charge timer equals 0.1. So now it won't happen on the mouse press. It'll only happen on controller. Oh, there's so much to do. I'm never going to finish this demo by mid-June. We're already beginning in June. I haven't reached out to any streamers yet. Tears of the Kingdom music's so good. Yeah. It's a great game. We talked a little bit about it yesterday. Wait, are there people in bed? There are. I don't remember saving the game with them there. Okay, force open. So now... So if I just do a regular button press, look at that. It like shows up. If I use the controller, which I should test. Yeah, look at that. It's like, I could make it not noticeable if I tried, but you know, this is good. It just starts immediately. Perfect. Yo, can I make a recommendation? Go here. The controller feels good. I like the controller. All right. I'm sure your community can tap their communities to help you out. Wait, I have a content creator friend who's currently doing 20 days, 20 cozy games. Do they have their schedule all figured out yet? I like the game in general, but wish the world was more different from Breath of the Wild. Yeah, I think the first 2 hours of being on the surface, like after the sky tutorial level, I was like, wait, is this the same? Wait, this looks familiar. Wait, I remember this tree. And I was pretty upset by it. Like, I was like, why did they just reuse the same world? Mara Vis, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. But then eventually, I just kind of forgave it. I don't know why I forgave it, but I did. I think it's because it switched up the gameplay just enough to make it feel fresh again. It felt fresh. He can pretty much swap games around if I ask him to. When's he doing that? Currently, like currently right now? Do you think your friend would be interested in doing some Alpine Lake? And are they a streamer or a YouTuber? Like, are they going to make a long video and put it on YouTube, or are they going to, or do they like just stream? Need anything? I would appreciate a green tea. Can I even make green tea? I can with the brewing kit. Okay. Did I do what I set out to do? What was I even doing? Yeah. Restaurants aren't explained at all. I think I'm going to take restaurants out of the game. Unfortunately. I think I'm going to take restaurants out of the game because there's no way to open one up. I don't give you a menu blackboard. Let me do a little debugging. For good or for now? Just for now. Now, restaurants are an integral part of the game. It's just a lot of like teaching. The demo doesn't have enough time to teach you. Is it raining? No. Yeah, he's doing it now. He streams on YouTube. Got a fair few followers that will be interested watching. Honestly, I don't even care the size. If someone looks at Alpine Lake and says, this is cool enough to play on my stream, even if they have no viewers, that would make me happy. So I'd, if you want to like put me into contact with them or reach out on my behalf, that'd be cool. I'm going to make a restaurant. Yes. Let's make a restaurant. Look at this. I made a restaurant. Isn't it pretty? So what do you need for a restaurant? Look at that. I don't require anything. I should require tables and chairs and a menu blackboard. Like, that should be part of the requirements. Otherwise, you have no idea you need that. So if I go here and I say, oh my God, stop it. Designer/gamer. You may have heard of him, of his Twitter, DNS/gamer. No, DN/gamer. Let me go to their Twitter. Designer/gamer. I get it. I get it now. They're a designer/gamer. This is stressful enough without having to worry about marketing it as well. What do you mean? Like reaching out to streamers? That is marketing. He has a degree in interior design. Oh God. Now the game has to have better interior design abilities just to appease that person. So if I put this here, does this still work? Oh my God, I haven't opened this in so long. Look at this. So here, this is how restaurants work. I've never done this on stream. I haven't looked at this UI in over a year. So the way restaurants work, on the left, it shows you all of the recipes you know. And on the middle is your menu. And you get rated on your menu. So what you do is you add recipes to the menu. Sninko! Sninko Games! What up? Finn! You beat me to it, Finn! Oh my god, Mr. Mard with the Prime! Thank you so much. Sninko! How was the rest of your stream? Oh my god! Double raid! Rockadoodle, how's it going? We just got raided by Sninko not 10 seconds ago. Rockadoodle, welcome in. Welcome in, raiders. Gotta run, but have a great stream. Rockadoodle, thank you so much. You go take care of yourself. A double rainbow, exactly. All right, let's take a second to welcome everyone in. To those of you new here, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's an innkeeper life sim game. It's a little bit like Stardew Valley, a little bit like The Sims. I'm going to play the trailer. This is what I'm gonna do. It was a good rest of the stream. Got finite and infinite sound waves going. Nice. Shader graph. You gotta learn that shader graph. So yeah, I was on Sninko's. I was lurking there and actively watching for a very long time. Make sure everyone to check out Sninko Games. Also, Rockadoodle. Rockadoodle, I haven't been able to check out your stream in a while because we keep overlapping. But everyone, please check out Rockadoodle as well. I know, but I'm too committed to the shader now. Augie! Wait, sorry, Finn, I hope everyone's behaving. You said that right before the raid. Sorry, I missed it. Not at all. Wardstone, how's it going? You can only kind of make me. Kind of. He can only kind of make you behave. Yeah, so Sninko's making a game where you traverse the world and there's like sonar color waves being shot out into the world to help you see it, which is very cool. And Rockadoodle is working on a creature collection game. Both in Unity, right? You're both in Unity. But yeah, that's the trailer. That's what we're working on today. And Mr. Mard, sneaking in that Prime sub. Thank you. Appreciate it. How's everybody doing? Sninko, maybe I should do a little shader graph lesson because I love it. And you might love it too if you just look at it for 2 seconds. Forcing myself not to work this week. Good for you, Og. Good for you. Look at that face emote. It looks like you're really enjoying yourself. I want to see those Steam links. Well, here's this one. Everyone, make sure to wishlist. Now that Augie and Finn are here, I can check my numbers. I could check my numbers. Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't check my numbers yesterday on stream. I got 1 wishlist. Technically, I got 3, but 2 deletions at the same time. Let's see. It's 6. It's 6 p.m. They should be updated by now. It's not updated yet. Numbers make brain go brrr. Yeah, they do. Let's go get some ice cream. You're doing great, Wordstone. Nice. I'm glad to hear it. I'm doing pretty good today. Black Magic UK, how's it going? It's been a little bit. Yeah, I'm doing good here. How are you? Mm. Oof, deletions be like that. Yeah. I just hit 100. I felt like celebrating. I just hit 100 deletions. I wanted to post that on Twitter like as a joke. Is that funny? Like, can I do that? Do I sound like a dick? Thanks so much for the support. We just hit 100 deletions. Come on. Come on. Is that funny? I'm going to do it. Should I do it? I'm going to do it. No, I don't know. Oh, that's how you get him to stop on wish list. Yeah, all good. Thanks. Still waiting for the baby. So I've not been at it much. I've not been about as much. Oh wow. Congrats. Congrats on almost baby. Be more aggro crab. I love their marketing humor. Who's aggro crab? Aggro crab games. Oh my god, 97,000 followers. They could do whatever they want. I've never even heard of this. Studio that developed Another Crab's Treasure. I've never heard of this game. I've never heard of this developer. They're absolutely massive. It's crazy. Oh, I'm still so out of the loop. There's so much industry that I'm just not aware of. Also, Sninko, if you have anything you want to share, feel free. But yeah, so I was just looking at this restaurant mechanic that I have in the game. So you have your recipes that you can make on the left, the menu of your restaurant in the middle. And what you do is you load up the menu with items. And then you're scored and ranked. So total taste 6, average taste 1, ranking 1. Boo. And then when you have tables and chairs, guests come, sit in the tables and chairs, and they order off the menu. I wish I was allowed to use that wit when I was CM for Hoko Life. I was never allowed to be funny. Yeah, that's the thing with these cozy games. What the hell kind of sentence is that? I like humor. Everyone likes humor. But I appreciate snarkiness. Like that's one of my main weapons. And I feel like I can't use it much on Twitter. Added volume to the shader. Now shapes are more discernible and depth is readable. So what I don't understand, Sninko, is that do you emit these waves or do they just happen? Like, where are these waves originating? Is it a mechanic that you get that you can emit them? I hate humor, Mr. Mard. You would hate humor. I knew that the second you came in here for the first time. I was like, this guy hates humor. Maybe it should be about dark humor, enslaving minds, a waking nightmare. I don't know. Dark humor is dangerous. Because then you get people saying really horrible stuff and they claim, oh, but it's dark humor. No, no, no. You're a freak. You're just a freak. You will. They're going to come from sounds. You'll be able to play music and footsteps. Oh. So the sounds in the game will emanate as these rings. That's cool. That's cool. The first big game that I wanted to make had use of sound or made use of sounds. The Fennec. I gotta be careful. When you search Tumblr, you get some freaky stuff. Where's my Tumblr? Wait, I gotta bring it over here. How do I go to my Tumblr's page? Account. The Fennec. Here it is. This is one of the first games I wanted to make, and in the background, the animals that you're like hunting down, they were gonna like emanate sound waves that you can find them. Massive. Smart keeping browser off. Such a dangerous game scrolling too deep. Yeah. It looks like this video doesn't have it. I miss this game. I really want to make it again. I was just obsessed with fennec foxes. And I was like, I want to make a game where you're a fennec fox in the desert. Anyway, Massive Monsters, Cult of the Lamb tweets are funny as well. They made headlines with their sex update. I do remember that. I do remember that. You can only do that when you're already big, though. If you're a little, that's like offensive. I don't know. I think it's offensive. Not that I think it's offensive. I feel like it's perceived as offensive if you're like a little guy instead of like a massive, you know, you have your massive following ready for that kind of stuff. And maybe you got to ease into it. All right, so restaurants. Do I keep them and explain how to make them? Wait, didn't I already explain how to make them? I'm little and I'm going to add sex to my game. Foul. That's dangerous in Twitch chat. Should I? All right, I'm gonna remove restaurants. They're gonna come later. I'm gonna lock it. That's what I'll do. I'll keep it in the game, but I'll put a little lock on it. Man, you're gonna hate me once we start revealing our story. Why? Why would I hate you? Because you're making a horror game. And also it's about the content, right? Your tone on Twitter or wherever has to match the content you're making. And if I can't have that kind of tone with such a, you know, with a cozy game. But don't worry, I'll make sure that everyone knows that Mossy Grove games, or Mossy Grove and Robots Makes games are intimately related. That's actually true. Which part? That we're intimately related? Or that it's about the content? Like, your tone needs to match the content you're making. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock restaurants. It's just there's gonna be a lock on it. You can't use it. Which so the restaurant skill room restaurant. What is it going to require? Prerequisite skills: serve food, kitchen, and I'm going to also require a skill called demo locked. It's called demo locked. Unavailable. It doesn't need an icon. Unlock text, none. Prerequisites, none. Unlock cost, 0. Set ID, active, no. So it's not going to be active, which means it won't show up in this list of things. But restaurants will have the prerequisite demo locked. So you can never unlock it. Same with, oh, sell items. Allows you to sell items on your property. Items placed in a display case can be purchased by guests. Look at that, I explained the mechanic right here. In the skill. The tone matching the content. But I hate humor anyway, so how would I... That's great. For someone who hates humor, sure can make me laugh. Merchant license. I should see if this works. I wish I could stream Substance Painter, but the program has crashed twice today and crashed Explorer once. I dread to think what it would do to OBS. I was just doing Arnold renders again, and whenever I do an Arnold render, it like locks up my entire computer, makes my camera fail. I was making a salt and pepper shaker for returning cog. See, it just makes me no. So stupid. I don't know how to tell Arnold to not use 100%. I looked at this last time, I couldn't find it. All right. So can I now update this? Force open GUI. What? What? I think it freaked out that the first one is not active. This isn't even a render. This is just using the program, just calculating textures. Designer doesn't do it. Huh. Yeah, Substance is pretty intensive. I think their viewport is powerful. By powerful, I just mean it uses up a lot of resources. Why is this so unhappy? Why didn't it throw an error? That's what I want to know. It's not throwing an error. What if I... proficiencies? No. Where was that? Skills. What if I do activate it? Oh, you know what? Also, there's a bug I never finished fixing yesterday, which is this icon swapping to the right icon. This guy. On the main menu. Whatever. There they all are. Looks like this shows up, so I don't think I used that active checkbox. Let's make it be used. Oh, look at that. If active is returned. That's why. Should we continue? That was easy. Also, Finn, you didn't stream today. You have a busy week, don't you? Is that what you said yesterday? No, I believe I said so in Discord and you reacted. Did I? I don't remember reacting. Actually, I do remember reacting. I don't remember the reason. Wait, what? Actually, I don't even see where it is. Because we have had a house inspection. I don't remember reading that at all. Wait, I did not react to that. Why does the camera hate me? Horse. Okay, cool. Restaurants. Kitchen. Where's restaurants? Shop. Food license. Restaurant. So it just says required skill unavailable. Should I say unavailable in demo? Unavailable in demo. Does that update? It does. Unavailable in demo. So you can build a kitchen, merchant's license, second floor. Ooh, should I get rid of second floors? Allows you to build a shop. Shops don't do anything. I don't even have a shop room type. Yeah, we're definitely going to lock that one up. We didn't even make it. Demo unavailable. Okay. Serve food. Do I have to screenshot this to prove it? I don't want to do that, but I totally will just to prove I'm right. Oh, yeah. You should definitely do that. I want to see it. I don't like it when I forget things that I do, so hold me accountable. Oh, I reacted to your schedule. I reacted to your schedule. I see. Yeah, you just said something's on. No stream today because something's on. That was yesterday. And then June 4th, there's nothing for June 4th. So now I'm even more confused. Now I'm even more confused. Snowmies! What up, Snowmies? Thank you for the raid. How was your stream? I'm arguing with Finn right now. This is your local time. It's just that that post says yesterday at 9 p.m. And then it's showing me local times. Wait, that's not my local time. It thinks I'm still in like it's showing me 6 a.m. What? No, that is my local time. I don't know. Anyway, Snowmies, how's it going? How was your stream? Welcome in. What did you get up to today? It was good doing work on 5M. Stuff was whack. Why was it whack? Also, make sure to drop links to whatever you were doing. Screenshots, whatever. Videos. Text, blog, giant blog posts. 5M? My friend is an RP streamer? What is that? I have an acronyms. Acronym. No niche acronyms, please. I'm not smart enough. And I forgot the word acronym, so I couldn't use that. GTARP? What? Acronym. She's an actor, but she does role playing. Is that it? Role playing on Twitch between jobs? Wait, we gotta take a step back for a second. What is 5M? Finn, you're confusing me. You're making 2.0 for my GTA RP City. Oh. 5M is a mod platform from Grand Theft Auto. Wait. You said you're doing work on 5M. Did you make it? It takes me a second to catch up. Big Six, welcome in. How's it going? You're coding for your city. Oh, well, that's cool. Let me drop you a follow. I always wondered how those GTA mods worked. Making new scripts and UIs. Thank you for the follow. Twitch has a big and active GTA RP community. 5M is an essential part of joining RP servers. All right, it's all clicking in my head now. UI stands for Mr. Mard, you're on fire today. Lua, JS, HTML, CSS, the usual. All that goes into 5M? Stupid question, what's RP? I'm assuming it's role-playing. There's no stupid questions, Alex. Back when I first started my career in advertising, this was like 2 weeks into my first job. You know, sometimes as in a VFX company, you go to set, right? There's always a visual effects supervisor that goes to set to make sure that the shoot goes okay, you know, so you can do your visual effects properly later. And they kept talking about people on set, and they were like, oh, the DP, the DP, the DP. I'm like, and me and my pervert brain was like, what the hell's a DP? Why do you keep saying DP? Reza, thank you so much for the follow. And they're like, DP stands for, oh my God, now I'm forgetting. Wait, something photographer. Why am I forgetting what DP stands for now? I blanked. I totally blanked. Director. There it is. Director of photography. Thank you so much. What a stupid brain fart. But yeah, I had to stupidly ask. And I had to ask again 16 years later. Nothing's changed. Augie. No. No. Although thanks for letting me put that on my block terms list. I wasn't sure about allowing that. No, 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 no. I don't have the mature. I don't have the mature thing here. It's just for Booyah, yeah. All right. Where the hell was I? Anyways, Snowmies, thank you so much for that raid. Shout out to you. And if anyone else is interested in seeing GTA modders, I am. I'm going to try and catch your next stream. Booyah, does your toon shader have metallic? Perfect segue if Sninko is still here. It's shader graph, my toon shader. Simple toon. Nope. Cell shade? Cell shader? Universal cell shader. So I do my cell shader in here. Do I use metallic? No. I mean, I do the specular model and I have it set to black, so no. This is actually not a good shader to demonstrate the shader graph because it's a little complicated. There's a lot of like vector math in it. Well, but you might actually want that kind of stuff. You know, shader graph's great. You can take the normal vector of the geometry, do a little dot product, offset it, multiply it, whatever, clamp it, multiply. It's all the same stuff you can do in code. You can set attributes here, just like you can in code. So here's like a gradient attribute, rim intensity, here's a float, texture, color. And you just drag them in and plug them in places. Finish your math. You pop it out into the color or whatever kind of shader this is, right? So you can set it to lit, unlit, decal, sprite, whatever. There you go. It's as simple as that. Worst tutorial ever. Okay, so I came back to Elden Ring before the DLC, and now I definitely need a mod to make up for the absolutely stupid lack of quest logs. I hate writing shit down. You have to write stuff down in Elden Ring? That's crazy. Still here lurking. I just brought in a model of my character, but making her shield shine feels like it needs a metallic texture. Interesting. I mean, yeah, you can totally do that. You know what you could do that's cool is you can have a shine that goes over it over time sometimes. I do that with my items on the floor you can connect or you can collect. There's just like a shine that goes over them every couple seconds. My sister would love your game. Gonna tell her to wishlist for sure. Thanks so much. Would a screenshot help? Wait, there's quests in Elden Ring. I thought dying was the only gameplay. See, I won't mess with those games. Do math, choose a thing, plug it in, all makes sense. Yeah, it's easy. Screenshots probably would help if you want to send one. This makes me want to try out the Elden Ring. I had a lot of fun with Morrowind for the exact same reasons. Those are very different games. Morrowind is a chill, first-person, explorer-based RPG. Elden Ring is brutal and punishing. It's definitely a Souls game, right? Is that considered a Souls game? Lighting is too warm. Yeah, they're a little yellow. It's tough. Mixing cell shade and texture and then having colored lights is a little complicated. Because I feel like Well, also what's not helping you is that this is just like pure white. There's a lot of like very light white. So it's going to pick up the color way faster than, you know, any of your terrain. And then the colors don't seem like they're going to match. It's 100% Souls. Yeah, from the makers of it. Dark Souls. Ah, then duh. Yeah, I would. It's interesting. Yeah, it's also, it feels like it's getting a little washed out compared to your environment. Something needs to address from the design perspective. Something feels washed out about it. Like this character has contrast. This character has good contrast. This character feels like she's getting washed out just because everything's mostly white. But this, it's lacking contrast. So also, and you know, contrast is a big property of metallic things. You want super high contrast. So it's not going to look metallic unless it's super high contrast. I'd work on making this like a deep, dark golden, like get these shadows really dark. But it is cell shaded, so I don't know. Not sure how you do that. I mean, it looks like you got something going. These are cool. These like these little metallic pings. I feel like I feel like wait, where's the magic quick selection? I mean, the colors are psychotic, but it feels like you have the right values. Like this stuff helps. I would just work on not letting it ping to like pure white. Oh, look at that. What is that? Yeah, that's pretty much it. You see how these like these dark bits, they kind of sell the metallicness. Yeah, so if I want my souls fix, I'm actually going to play Code Vein for souls and other reasons. Never heard of that one. I'm so bad. Looked a lot better in concept art form. I mean, did you make this character based on this concept? Because it looks good. There's a lot of parody there. I don't know. I'm just a plebe. What do you mean, Augie? Augie, we all know you're a fantastic artist. You commissioned an artist. It was not me who drew it. Just gave direction. Well, that's still cool. OC character and OC model. Yeah. That's nice. Just darken the gold a bit. Yeah. I think that would help. I would be careful using pure white. because pure white's going to blow out really fast. I'm actually having the same issues. When I use pure white, it just pings and looks bad. You got to use like a 80% white or something, or just put a little bit of color in it, you know, just like the tiniest bit. All right, did we solve anything? Did we fix anything? Restaurants aren't explained. Well, they're out. They're out of the demo. Adjust the message when guests can't reach an activity. Or a LUT. Yeah, but if you're like, are you rendering HDR or are you rendering LDR? Just a tinge of blue. Yeah. Any bit of color can help. But yeah, I feel like if you're doing LDR, you're doing HDR. Oh, then maybe a LUT would help better. If you're doing LDR, I believe the whites are going to get clipped, but HDR you might have some range there that you can play with. NPC nav. No. Yeah? All right. So there's a bug happening. Not a bug, but like when a character can't reach a decoration, you get a message that's like, this decoration has been blacklisted, and it shows like the game object name. I have to change that. Blacklist. Bad destination. Blacklist this activity. A guest can't reach the activity. Get activity name. Get activity name. I guess that's the only thing I can get. Get activity name. Oh, right. No, so that is a decent message. What did Psychro say exactly? What did Psychro say? Oh, also, I got more notes. Damascino. Actually, I don't know how to pronounce that one. I don't know how to pronounce it. Couldn't find a load game button in the pause menu. Personally, I like to check where the game last saved before I quit. Oh, interesting. Oh, you know what I want to do? I know what I want to do. I was watching someone play Ova Magica. And at the end of the day, there's a little animation that just shows one day going to the next day. And I want to do that. I want to do that. All right, these are good notes. Definitely people, I've noticed a few people get stuck when they sit. So that's a note I'll do. The machete feeling ineffective against grass. I'm okay with this right now. Because the machete just hits anything in front of it. And it shouldn't be that powerful. %90 white with a tinge of blue, a shot, yeah. Also, does anybody have a Steam Deck that also has a key? Alpine machete. Well, now there's a debug grass sword in the game. It'll destroy everything. Maybe I should leave it. All right, so I still can't find where the heck was Sninko. I think he also direct messaged me a few. Is that true? No. Oh, there we go. Get remaining distance can only call an active agent that has been placed on an ad match. She was getting an error. So that's definitely bad. Oh, the smelting bug. Also, yeah. Crap. Item processors. Cutting table, smelter, etc. Sometimes don't process the items infinitely. What do they infinitely do? They just infinitely spin without doing anything. All right. I got scammed of a Steam Deck. I was pretty dumb to use Facebook Marketplace. Oh no, Jay, I'm sorry. That sucks. Steam Decks are very hard to get right now for some reason. I tried to get one here and they're sold out online everywhere and sold out in all stores. That sucks that you got scammed. People suck. Why do people have to suck? Just like be a good person. What are you gonna be a piece of shit for? The Switch 2 is supposedly is supposed to be slightly higher spec than the Steam Deck, right? What? I didn't know that. I also got scammed. It's life. Then it's not happened again. That's good. Grandma, so far I haven't gotten the feelings from your game. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, maybe it can pique my interest with how you approach things. That's the thing I could wonder about. What do you mean, the feelings? What's the feelings? I got the money back, fortunately. They even sent me a pic of them at the post office delivering it. Maybe you'll get it. Maybe you got your money back and you're going to get the Steam Deck. Maybe you scammed them by accident. Maybe there's a dream hardware can save performance and get my title on handheld. That would be nice to get our stuff on get stuff on handheld. Switch 2 will be out of date by the time it releases. It's probably true. But on one side note, before wall of text, oh, the spark when I play a game. You're saying like they aren't picking up on your vibe, right? That's okay. That's okay. It's not for everyone. Thank you for being honest. So far, 2 people have been honest with me. One person, well, you said that, and then someone else told me something very honest, and I appreciated it. Most people are just nice, and they're like, this is cool. I know it's not cool to everyone. He blocked me after I sent the money. Oh, wow. What a jerk. What a jerk. So, excuse me. Adjust the message when guests can't reach an activity. I already did this. I don't know why. I can't remember why I wrote this down. I like to widen possible markets, so I don't mind helping. But I like systems and stuff. I appreciate it. So the solution is removing, oh wait, no. So removing restaurants, but not cooking. I still need recipes that are good for cooking. Let me look at all the cooking recipes right now. That's what I'll do. Recipe meal, here we go. So these are the only things you can make. Fried eggs. Yeah, you just need an egg. Pancakes, can you make pancakes? Wheat and let's say, yeah, this is the problem. Scrambled eggs. You need a tomato. Why? Yeah, you basically can't make any of these. Maybe I should get rid of cooking too. It was kind of overwhelming. Or I can concentrate and do it. Basically, the ballpark performance you might recognize for the Switch 2 is the RTX 3050. That sounds really powerful, actually. Not mine. While interacting with you, while that also can be an approach, I would put that in a rather sneaky part and thus not applicable at times. I don't know what your target is. That may be the spark I miss. I mean, honestly, how do you describe the target? It's just someone who likes chill games. Someone who likes story-based, quest-based, inventory management, farming sim type game. Like what the emotion you want to stir in me. Basically, the emotion is like a blanket, a warm blanket, comfort. It's not about like making you feel sad or happy. It's just about like that feeling of no responsibility and just following whatever you feel like doing for now, you know? The idea is to offer enough things to do so there's variety and just let you follow wherever your inspiration takes you. Oh, I feel like decorating right now, so you can decorate. Oh, I feel like fishing right now. I feel like cooking, and just have that there for the player when they want it. The Spark. Now I've got that song stuck in my head. Cozy Gamer is always requesting cooking in cozy games if they're not implemented. You can always make it basic and add it in the future. So here, let's do it. Let's do it real quick. Real quick. Let's just think about cooking for a second, right? Cooking. Cooking is, so we need meals, ingredients, and then ways to get those ingredients, right? This is what we need. And then they all need to like funnel upward. So what do we have? We have scrambled eggs. We have fried eggs. Obviously, this one is just one egg, right? Egg. Egg. Tomato. Scrambled eggs are gonna have tomatoes in them. So where do you get eggs? Eggs. Purchased at farmer's market. Where do you get tomatoes? Grown from seeds or purchased at farmer's market. Okay, so now I don't actually have this in any, no merchant sells these seeds. You can't get these seeds. I do want to add chickens to the game eventually. So what other things can I do? Right? So we have pancakes, wheat, and basically like sugar, right? So where do you get wheat? Wheat can be grown from seeds. I need to implement wheat. What are other breakfast foods? Um, how about flour, eggs, and milk, isn't it? Well, maybe wheat flour. I won't get too complicated. So to make wheat flour is jeez, wheat processed in a grinder. Oh dang. I've learned from Dune that you can get water from your enemies. I just watched Dune 2 2 nights ago. It's pretty good. You can get eggs from humans, Orwellian cozy no. Finn. To be honest, in these scaled games, I've seen a few cooking, and cooking often isn't really liked by people. In my opinion, aside from the only cooking games which I see being liked are cooking games which are all about cooking. So I do see the possibility of dropping it, not completely off the table, at least for first release. You can keep the code and add it if people want it or miss it. Like another game which has cooking is like Noble Fates or Ark and so on. And I doubt that dev time was cost fun, made sense, efficient. But if it's something you really like, I mean, cooking is just crafting. Well, you're running an inn or a bed and breakfast, and cooking, it's kind of part of the core loop, feeding your guests. And it is just another form of crafting. There's no difference. There's no mini game associated with it. You just collect the ingredients and hit cook. But also, it serves you a purpose for you. It helps you get stamina back. It lets you continue your day. It's just another way to frame crafting, because crafting is a big part of the game. So it is just another way to frame it. No timing. No. It just pops out. I was considering it, considering having a cooking game. Like I have a fishing game, but I'm not sure yet. Not sure I want to do that. So I don't have sugar. How should sugar be? How should sugar be gotten? Maybe I just have wheat flour, no sugar. We'll just say wheat flour. So it's a little more complicated. So these are all attainable things right now, except these flowers or these seeds. Easy. So then do you have little thing which automate certain loops? So yeah, actually I do. When you can hire people from town and they automate parts of the loop. And I don't have the hireable that cooks for you, but I will eventually. Yeah, when you run it alone, you have to clean, cook, and tend to the tables. Exactly. But over the course of the game, you can hire different people to do it for you. If you have skooma, you have to have bear romance. Wait, skooma, that sounds familiar. What is that from? That would be cool, like Cooking Mama type minigame. If I did do something like that, it would be as simple as the fishing mechanic. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. Because you might need a lot of food. And I would probably do it like Spirit Fair. Not the waiting part, but like if you've ever played Spiritfarer, some of their mini games are literally just like they take half a second to complete. And it's just about clicking and timing. I don't know. Oh, Skoom is cocaine from Elder Scrolls. That's right. I forgot about that. With nothing to do, I've been browsing Kara, and now I feel like doing a chill art stream where I just draw random stuff. Augie, you should do it. Kara is this new thing, right? I just read a tweet about it. Wait. Oh. Yeah, I just read a tweet about Kara, and is it cool? What is it? Is it going to replace anything? New substance update is crashing my GPU. Clap. Well done, Adobe. This feels worth $400 a year. Yeah, I don't know. If I had a need for substance, hopefully I'm on a team. I would never. It's too many softwares. Too many softwares. Tomatoes. Okay, let me get a few more recipes and then I'll feel a little better. Breakfast foods. We're just gonna look at breakfast recipes. Oatmeal. I already have oatmeal in the game. Oatmeal. Oats. Meal. No. Oat. So, should I have oats in the game? Oat is grown from seeds. Grown from seeds. I might take out oatmeal because I don't want to add more items. I'm sick of adding items. Images. Ooh, breakfast tacos. I like breakfast tacos. Breakfast tacos. Or breakfast burrito. That can be egg, wheat, flour, tomato. Gotta bounce. Need to apply for jobs. Have a great day. Jay, good luck. Seriously. I wish I could afford Mari. Or if I could afford Mari, I would. Yeah, you like Mari better? A lot of people at NPC were using Mari. And they were good at it. I don't know. They all seem to do the same thing. Speaking of alternative food, you can also make some kind of salad. That would be to reuse a tomato. Oh, yeah. All right, so how about a salad? Lettuce, tomato, and cheese. We don't have cheese in the game. We'll think about it. What's another thing? I was just thinking of one. Like a yogurt bowl? Maybe a parfait? Parfait. Or say yogurt. Yogurt and fruit. I don't have fruit in the game. I don't have fruit in the game. Oh. This is a problem. Because it's hard to grow fruit. Not really, though. Let's just say blueberries. And I'll put blueberries in. Isn't tomato a fruit? Yes, it is. Cookies and coffee. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. I'll just say fruit salad. Fruit salad. It'll be different kinds of fruit. It'll be blueberries, strawberries. And I'll put one more. I'll put one more in. What's another good fruit for fruit salad? Grapes? Ice cream. This is breakfast. So what did we learn here? So lettuce. Grown from seeds. Check. I'm gonna make these. Boom. Banana. Banana is good. Maybe you can only buy bananas. Maybe you can't have a banana tree. Bananas. Bananas. Purchased from merchant at farmer's market. All right. So eggs, purchased at farmer's market. You can do that already. Tomatoes, grown from seeds or purchased from farmer's market. We're going to go to Vic. Vic. Merch. We're going to go to her inventory for sale. She sells sunflower seeds, novels, no, puzzles, no, yoga mats, no. She's going to sell all the seeds I have in the game now. Seed. Beets. Also, beets are not free anymore. Gotcha. Carrot. Corn. Wait, I don't have tomato seeds? No, I do. Pumpkin. Sunflower I already have. Tomato. Let's make it alphabetical for no reason. And then one more. These are all the seeds I have in the game. Wheat. She's going to sell all the seeds. Something Japanese special as a remembrance to your moment living place. Yeah. I should do like what can I do here? I can see like an egg salad sandwich. Egg salad sandwich. So you need eggs, mayo, and bread. That's pretty much all you need. Sushi stand. Oh, that's right. So there's fishing in the game, but fish do not do anything. I'm going to make this a tuna sandwich. Tuna sandwich. And it's just going to be fish and bread. I definitely want an egg salad sandwich now. I'll get the egg salad sandwich back in there eventually. So now, okay, tomatoes are grown from seeds? Yes. Wheat grown from seeds? Yes. Wheat flour. Wheat processed in a grinder. Is that true? So if I go to wheat, when you put it in a... Excuse me, I might sneeze 100 times right now. Process rules. When you put wheat in a grinder, what pops out? Flour. Consumable ingredient wheat flour. Yeah. Look at that. I have wheat flour in the game, but I never used it. Excuse me. Ooh, that sneeze gave me a headache. But mayo is made from eggs and olive oil, sunflower oil. It's not related to milk. Yeah, it doesn't have to be too realistic. Wheat gets washed, and then you wash it more to make white flour. Yeah, we're going to throw it in the grinder. I can't think about reality too much. No butter in mayo? No, there's no butter in mayo. What? All right, so now you can make wheat flour. Can you make oats? No. What? Oatmeal. I have the dish. Recipe meal oatmeal. It uses wheat, so that doesn't make sense. You don't make oatmeal with wheat. So we don't have that yet. Pancakes. Pancake recipe. So instead of using wheat flour, we wanted to use, instead of using wheat, we wanted to use wheat flour, and that's it. That's a pancake. How about 3 wheat flours? Mayo is egg and oil. Yeah. Oh, this song is wacky. I like it. I'm not sure if I want to do oils. Do I? I do. Yeah, of course I do. I need like an expeller object. So lettuce is grown from seeds. Can you grow lettuce? Let's see. Lettuce. Consumable lettuce. You can't grow lettuce. I have lettuce crops. Look at that. Should I make a crop real quick? Wait, seed consumable lettuce. Wait. What? Didn't I just add it to Vic's merchant? Merchant. Vic? Lettuce. Consumable ingredient. Weird. Why do I have an icon for it, but I don't have the seed? That's weird. Seed. Wait, lettuce. SP consumable lettuce. I guess I just made seed icons for all the vegetables I had without knowing if I actually had the seed for it. So let's make that real quick. Seed. Let's start with, I don't know, pumpkin. Grow seed. I'll start with this, yeah. Grow seed pumpkin. What's this? Seed pumpkin. This is the item. This is the recipe for it. Okay, we only need these. Boom. Lettuce. 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 All right. So how many stages will lettuce have? Ooh, I shouldn't start with a pumpkin though. I should start with something that when harvested goes away. Sorry if I spam chat. I can be silent. No, it's all right. It's all right. I'm reading what you're saying. It's just I'm absorbing it. I just thought I'd join again since Mitch also talked about you again, which made you being mentioned in my feed 3 times the last few days. Who's Mitch? Wait, who's Mitch? But honestly, no hard feelings. I can. No. You're good. You're good. You're good. Oh, Sninko. Okay, sorry. I didn't know his real name. Doxed. You've been doxed, Sninko. Stages. Harvested stage. Leave visual stage null to destroy on harvest. Okay. We're going to make this null. Days to mature 1. How many stages will lettuce have? Not 4. That's too many. Let's say it has 3 stages. And then harvested. There is no harvested stage. Once you... Oh, wait. I need that back, though. Stage 4 has the interactable. So we'll get rid of stage 3. Get rid of harvested. This is now stage 3. We're going to say, yep, which is null. Let's revert. revert, and then empty. No, whoops, we needed that. So stage 3. Takes 1 day to mature. Doesn't check for blockers. Lettuce. So we need lettuce. These are all the lettuce steps. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this lettuce crop? That is just a nub. It's so weird him using it on Discord. I'm gonna tell him he needs to switch. And the sync up between Discord and Twitch can be confusing sometimes, or if it's not synced. That's something which is more noise than anything else. Maybe a personal opinion. On the other hand, I hate noise. What do you mean by noise? All right, so we have stage 1. All right, let me look at these stages. These are cute, sure. Although it needs to be a little... So this is what my lettuce looks like. Ugh. So maybe this is... I use this as stage 4. Cancel. Get rid of stage 4, and then this just needs to match the same green. They're all dark green. Let's make them light green. Yeah, we'll do that. So they won't really match, but I'm okay with this. If you get doxxed, it's personal info in the web, right? Far less worse than having something on your disk or a worm in a system over time, like some embedded software scandals. Let's just call it that. I mean, yeah, stuff is out there. It's always out there to be found. This stage looks kind of silly. We're gonna get rid of that one. Just use this one. All right. Sang Chad, what's up? All right, we got lettuce in the game now. We got lettuce. Seed lettuce. Wait, that's definitely rain. No, just wind. I'm worried because I have my laundry on the balcony. I need to get it in. All right, so seed lettuce. Pumpkins take 4 days to grow. Lettuce takes 3 days to grow. A bag of lettuce seeds. Lettuce. Man, you'd be so proud of me. I fought Substance Painter and won. Did you get it working? Wait, IC3. What? What are you saying? I could dung that lettuce with all that slime this cold is producing? Holy moly. What? What does that mean? Oh, you've been having a cold for 3 weeks. Jeez. That sucks. That's a long time to have a cold. That's a very long time. Proceed lettuce. And then finally, the icon. Consumable lettuce. Yeah, it's so weird. I had the icon for it. I just never had the item. Okay, so now, Vic, merch. Lettuce is in the game. That feels good. Lettuce. Seed lettuce. And with that, I think we're going to call it. We're going to call it a day. I got a headache. We've been going for 3 hours. I'm hungry. Let's find someone to raid. Let's find a nice, appropriate raid target. None of those inappropriate raid targets. Sang, thank you for the hydrate. Remember the plotting table I was making last stream? I mapped it and textured it in UDIMs using virtual textures to make most of it. It's not done, but it's a great placeholder to go in the plotting room. Then share a screenshot. The people want to see. So let's shout Finn out for being a wonderful mod. And game dev, who swears that he does work but does not show it up. Have a good day, all. I didn't watch anything, but I assume you did a very good job. Second favorite, I think we did okay. I think it's important for me to hit this list and make sure all these items are gettable in some way, and then add these recipes into the game, and then I'll feel a little better about having cooking in the game. Also, you're the first person where I don't directly disagree with the chair choice. You mean this thing? Yeah, I don't like those gamer chairs. They're uncomfortable. All right, I keep raiding Beegs. I'm not raiding Beegs again. A little late, are we? He's here, I know. It's crazy. They're trash. Yeah, they're not comfortable. Where should we go? Where should we go? Apparently the 3D modeler should post more in 3D channels. What do you mean? You posted on our Discord. There we go. We're going to look at what Finn does. 3D stuff. Oh, yeah, this is the thing. I was like, are you making a pizza box? Pizza holder upper? Look at that. Look at those scratches. Triangular chair legs or triangular table legs. Interesting choice. Do you do 3D models sometimes? If you're talking to me, yes. If you're talking to Finn, also yes. Some days I feel like I do nothing but 3D model. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go to Megatron. Or Clayman? Yeah, let's go to Clayman. I think I went to Mags more recently than I've been to Clay. Everyone, thank you so much for hanging out with me this fine Tuesday for me. Maybe it was Monday for you. Maybe it's Tuesday now for you. It's probably Tuesday now for you too. We had a good time today. Got some work done. I like getting work done. Wow, it's 7:30. The dog never begged for food, so I never fed her. That's weird. Let's switch over to the credits. New followers. Thank you so much. Cookies and Kohi, Reza, Snowmies, Mara, Alex, Hi, Howdy, and Luca. Mr. Mard, thank you so much for that Prime sub. And Rockadoodle, Sninko, and Snowmies. Amazing raids. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Let's go say hi to Clayman. And everyone have a good rest of your day. Connie! Shout out to Connie in the final moments of the stream. Wait, did that overtake the raid? No, we're still going to raid. But Connie, have a good night.